All right, welcome back to lesson 6. What we're going to do now is we're going to use the broadcast event to broadcast a message to change our track. So, first we have to make a message. Let's go to to events, and we're going to broadcast a new message. Now we can name this message anything we want. Let's call it new track. Okay. Put that in right after we score a point, and the same thing for player 2. Broadcast new track. Now, we're going to broadcast that to the stage. And we could put a little code on the stage. First, when green flag is clicked, switch to backdrop 2. That's what we're on right now. So, what we're going to do now, go back to events and say, when I receive the broadcast. So now we're broadcasting, and now someone is picking up the phone to listen to that broadcast. And all we're going to say is next backdrop. Now we have to create a new backdrop. Very easy. We'll duplicate the one we have. And now, using our vector map tools, we'll just change the track. Just make sure you keep the center where they're set up. Make sure you keep that the same. I'll probably end up speeding through this on the video. Go back to our code. Let's test that out. Green flag is clicked. It goes back to this one. So I'll drive around. And that's it. I'm going to win 2 races. Let's see. It's a little harder, this one. Alright, I made it. And when I hit the green flag, everything resets. And that's it. That's our game. Thank you so much, everyone, for tuning in. Please like and subscribe, and I could continue making more videos. Take care.